What's the weather like where you live right now? Listen to this conversation and learn how to use tag questions for positive statements in the future tense.
Did you hear about the weather tomorrow?
I did. It's supposed to snow a lot. They'll probably close the school then, won't they?
I think so. I don't think we'll need to teach tomorrow.
It'll stop snowing by night though, won't it?
Yes, thankfully it won't snow the whole day.
So what are tag questions? Tag questions are short questions that we put at the end of a statement. We use tag questions when we want someone to confirm or agree with something that we think is true. In tag questions in the future, we use will plus the subject. She'll go to the party, won't she? When a statement is positive, its tag question is negative. They'll see you tomorrow, won't they? Here are more examples. You'll go to work tomorrow, won't you?
Yes, I will.
We'll board the plane soon, won't we?
Yes, we will.
Now it's your turn. Click pause and add a tag question to each of the following statements. This is American English. Thank you for watching.